नमस्कार दोस्तों, हम लोग आज कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हैं डॉक्टर शीला नाम्बियार से। Could you just tell us ki, what this concept is? Because I, being a life coach, I have been told that there are two most powerful words, and these are acceptance and let it go. So could you reflect on that? Because when it comes to chronic stress, I think when we meditate on these ideas,
Yeah,
it really helps. So
yeah,
if we can conclude with that, yeah.
yeah. I think there is one concept that everybody, if everybody internalizes, it would really benefit them, and that is the dichotomy of control, which means that in every situation, whether it is a stressful situation or otherwise, in every situation, there is some aspect of it that we have control over, and there is another aspect that we have no control over. And that aspect of it that we have no control over, we need to let that go. For instance, in today's webinar, I have control over what I say, I have control over how I respond to you, but I have no control over the internet connection. Or I have no control over, let's say, the lighting to some extent, but let's say the electricity goes off and there's absolutely no way I can, manage that. So there's no point my stressing about something that I have zero control over. Instead, let's have control. Let's focus on the things that we have control over. Taking another example that's pertinent, for instance, this COVID-19, we're all stressed out about what's going to happen, when is the vaccine coming out, when is lockdown going to end. Now, we really don't have control over those things. There's no point stressing about that. What do we have control over in today's COVID-19 conditions? We have control over social distancing. We have control over hand sanitation. We have control over whether we wear masks or not. We have control over what we eat and how much we exercise, how we manage stress, because those three things will determine if we actually succumb to the disease, when and if we get it. Because it's been shown that people with comorbidities like hypertension, diabetes, obesity, etc., tend to have higher incidence of higher severity of disease. So we have control over those things, and let us focus on what we have control over and let go of the things that we don't have control over.
जैसे कि लेट इट गो क्या की बात हमने करी, जो एक और किताब है शीला की, और उसके अंदर उन्होंने समझाया कि कुछ चीजें हमारे कंट्रोल में होती है दोस्तों, कुछ चीजें हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं होती हैं। अभी जैसे हम लोग आपसे बात कर रहे हैं, हमारे कंट्रोल में है, शीला ने जैसे कहा, पर लाइट हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है कि भाई इंटरनेट कनेक्शन ठीक हो या नहीं हो। तो जो आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं है, आप उसके ऊपर क्यों स्ट्रेस ले रहे हैं? एक बार के लिए पेन डाउन कर लीजिए ना उन चीजों को जो आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, जो आप कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते। कोविड के अंदर ही देख सकते हैं, हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं कि वैक्सीन कब आएगी कब नहीं आएगी, कि भैया लॉकडाउन खुले, बिजनेस इकोनॉमी ठीक हो, वो हमारे हाथ में इतना नहीं है। हमारे हाथ में है मास्क लगा लो भाई, हाथ धो लो भाई, थोड़ा डिस्टेंसिंग कर लो। इन चीजों को आप ध्यान रखेंगे, आपकी जिंदगी में बदलाव आएगा।